Okay guys, this is a quick tutorial of how to do Flipgrid, which is a new exciting website I want to tell you about. So you'll be given a link, and when you click the link, it's going to take you to a certain topic for our class. Certain grid. So this grid I'm sharing with you first is morning meeting, where you're going to be answering a question and talking to each other. So once you click the link, this is what you will see. You will see it says Morning McKee. You'll see my name. You're going to click log in with Google. When you click this, your email is going to pop up, your email address, and then you're going to click your email address. And now you're in your Flipgrid. So you can see we're in the grid called morning meeting. And here is the topic we're going to be doing. Eventually there'll be lots of topics, but right now this is the first topic. It's dated 4/27. Here's your question your question or your direction. It says, please tell everyone how you are feeling now that you know school will be online for the rest of the year. When you finish, please respond back to at least 2 other people. If you are having trouble reading this for any reason, you click this little blue button, Immersive Reader, and it'll actually read it to you. And you can click the triangle right down here.
Please tell everyone how you are feeling now that you know that school will be online for the rest of the year. When you finish, please respond back to at least 2 other people.
Okay. So now obviously I'm going to think about what my answer is. I can click this arrow to go back. And now I'm going to actually do my response by clicking this giant green circle with a plus sign. And then when I click this, your camera will pop up on your computer. And you see me. So now I'm going to record my response. You can see up top, this is how long I have to do my response. So I have 1 minute, which should be enough to do a response. So make sure you're thinking about your answer before you start talking. You don't want to waste your time going, So think about your answer, and then you're going to record it. So I'm going to click record, and then I'm going to record my actual response for the classroom. So it's going to give me a countdown. When I think about how I feel now that I know that virtual or school is going to be online the rest of the school year, I have a lot of mixed feelings. And I'm surprised by that because I knew in my head that school was probably going to be online the rest of the year because that's what a lot of other states were doing. But I still was shocked a little bit. And part of me kind of feels okay with it because I get to see my kids every day instead of them having to go to daycare. But then the other part of me gets really sad, and I feel like something was stolen from me because I don't get to see you guys for the rest of the year, and I don't feel like that's fair. And I feel stressed because I have to plan everything online, and I don't know what I'm doing, to be honest with you. I'm really much better in the classroom, and I get worried that I'm not doing a good job for you guys. So I have a lot of feelings, and it's stressful for me. So what I did right now is I just clicked the pause button. Right up here, I can see I had a countdown going of how much time I have left. So if for some reason I just did a terrible job and I forgot to mention something, I can redo it. I can click redo right here and I can just re-record it. So that's fine. So if you start talking and you forgot or you messed up, just click redo. There's also a couple other things you could do. Right up here you have a bookmark or a book. It says show topic. This will actually tell you the question in case you forget it. And there's lots of fun stuff. I know you guys want to see. There's filters. So if you wanted to change your filter color, please don't pick something we can't see your face. Please don't do that. Okay. I'm not going to do a filter because I don't need to. If you want to get really creative and you want to add a sticker, maybe I want to, I don't know, put a little bit of a sad face because I'm kind of sad about it. I can put that over there. If you wanted to draw something, you could. So you guys can play with this. It's the reason we're starting this on Flipgrid right now is I'm going to be using this for a lot more academic stuff. But for now, this is kind of just fun to get the hang of it. So you guys can definitely play with the different stuff. Go for it. Get used to using Flipgrid. So when I use it for math or reading, you know how to use it. So that's fine. Now, I recorded my video. I'm happy with my video. I like my little sad emoji. And you know what, maybe I'm a little mad too. A little like, mixed feelings, right? But I'm also kind of like, kind of happy because I get to see my own kids, but I don't know, man. But you don't have to do this. This is just me showing you how I want to edit mine. So now I'm going to click next because I'm done. When I think about how I feel now that and basically what's happening here is it is replaying the video for me. So that's a way just to rewatch what you did and see if you want to keep it or if you want to change it at all. So I can replay it. I know that virtual. I could skip to certain parts of the video. I have a lot of feelings, and it's so any of that's fine. Which, where did my emojis go? I'm not sure where my emojis go. I'm still learning how to do this, guys. So let's say I'm done, and I love my video. I want to post it. I'm going to go ahead and click next. And then you're going to take a selfie. This is so we know whose video it is. So I'm just going to go click the camera. Look at that. Beautiful. Okay. And I don't know. I'm going to just say, I'm going to do a little smiley face. Okay. Now I'm going to click next because I'm done with my selfie. And this is your display name, which is just your name. You don't need to do a title or a link, anything like that. And now you click submit. Congratulations, it's there. Now I click complete. And you will see the video response in the actual morning meeting now when you go there. So what I did is I just refreshed the page. And now when I see the topic, I will actually see a response. And I have my response. But you're going to be seeing everyone's response in the classroom. So you can click on their videos. When I think about and you can watch their responses. Now this is the second part. You're going to be responding to each other. You're going to be responding for this activity at least 2 people according to the directions. So you see this little text type of thing. You're going to click reply. And this is where I would record a video to myself. Well, to someone else. And I would say, click record. And I would say, Miss McKee, I totally understand. I feel upset about not coming back to school too, and I get those feelings. But you know what? For me, I kind of like it because I get to sleep in the mornings. So whatever your response is, and this is the same thing. You'll click record, you'll talk, and you'll submit it. So I'm not going to continue going through much more of that, but that is the basis of how to use Flipgrid.